Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Gadgets Insider. We are coming up with another great video for the 5 essential kitchen gadgets you can buy on Amazon. Number 1. BlueApple Produce Saver. Introducing the BlueApple Produce Saver 2-pack. Say goodbye to wasted fruits and vegetables with this ultimate preserver. Each Blue Apple contains a 9G active ingredient packet, lasting up to 3 months. Keep your produce fresh, crisp, and nutrient-rich, reducing waste and grocery store trips. Made in the USA with refillable design, Blue Apple is committed to reducing food waste and improving your life. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Peachstreet Powerful Immersion Blender. Introducing our powerful immersion blender with a 500-watt motor and 4 sharp stainless steel blades, this handheld blender effortlessly blends and grinds ingredients for smoothies, soups, purees, and more. Use the Turbo Boost for extra power when tackling tough fruits and vegetables. The detachable base allows for easy cleaning and storage, while the ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip. Crafted with durability in mind, this metal-crafted blender is built to last. Upgrade your kitchen with this versatile and reliable kitchen gadget. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. lybx Sliding Tray for Appliances. Introducing the lybx Elegant Sliding Tray for your kitchen appliances. It rolls smoothly under cabinets, providing full countertop motion. Available in various sizes to fit different appliances, it's made with environmentally friendly bamboo and features high-quality rubber wheels, designed in Vancouver, Canada for lasting durability and countertop protection. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Topest Angrymama Microwave Cleaner. Introducing the Topest Angrymama Microwave Cleaner. This Angrymama steam cleaner utilizes the power of steam to effortlessly clean and disinfect your microwave. Simply add vinegar and water, then microwave for 7 minutes to soften dirt and stains. No need for dangerous chemicals or stain removers. With a cute and clever design, this cleaning equipment makes a great gift. It's easy to use, dishwasher safe, and made with heat-resistant materials. Say goodbye to scrubbing and save time with Angrymama, the ultimate microwave cleaning solution. Make your kitchen sparkle in minutes with this innovative and efficient steam cleaner. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Silicone Faucet Handle Drip Catcher Tray Mat. Upgrade your kitchen sink with the silicone faucet handle drip catcher tray mat. Made from soft and durable silicone, it serves as a drying mat, sponge holder, and dish soap tray. The 5-degree slope design ensures faster water discharge and drying. Keep your countertop dry and elevate your kitchen organization with this stylish and practical gadget. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.